Hey guys, Anthony here from XXRC Garage. Did some videoing today. This morning I walked the trail and took my bog dog out for a run. Anyway, we just did a video on it, and I want to just go over some stuff with you to this truck. I did post some photos at the end of what different things I have on this truck, and if it helps, I'm going to give you a little bit of overview. Now, I did stop and have to wash the truck off, and every time I wash my truck, I want to show you guys something. Now, you don't have to use this product, but I use it. I'm using the silicone spray by Liquid Wrench, and I do grease my MIP drive shafts. But turn this over here so you can see it. But so these are MIPs. These are actually steel drive shafts. So what I do is I inject here in the sleeves and here too with lubricant so we don't get rust. These MIPs will seize up and will rust fast. So that's why it's important to keep them greased. I also do all the knuckles down here. Anything that's got a joint or a bend, I reshoot those. You know, the drive shafts, all that good stuff. So I did all that. Even inside my gearbox here, where the pinion and the spur connect together, there's a opening here. I shot that full as well. I'm going to be opening that up later to make sure there's no debris in there. I got to figure a way to seal up this cover. But anyway, so let's talk about wheels, for instance. These wheels were custom machined. If you go on the Facebook page of the company who makes these, which these are RC Crush Locks, you will see they've got like a video of the machine cutting them out and stuff. They're basically 3 discs. You got a center disc, which has got a hub, an outer disc, which is your ring, and same with the inner ring. Basically, when you put them together, you have to crunch them together. Now, there is a 3D printed ring you can buy that'll fit in here. It'll make it a little wider of a stance. I didn't really want wide, I wanted them to be narrow, and I got them pretty tight on here. The body is from a Kyosho monster truck, and it's a 5th scale body. What I did is basically took the decals off the side. I put this pinstripe here to create the body line that a Ford has of that era, and got lucky and found some Ford stickers for the front. My buddy made them for the back tailgate as well, and of course he made the bog dog decals for me. The links, right now I am running stock links, but I will be changing these out to Wraith links. This is all stainless steel Wraith links in the front. Everything in here is Vanquish Wraith links. So the links will be changed out soon enough, which I'm talking about the uppers and lowers here will be all changed out. And so there. So this is the truck. I know I've gone over this before with you, just going a little heads up. Oh yeah, I found these decals too. And if you can see them, it says Ranger XLT. I figured that. And then I also found this little sticker here in one of the Pro Line kits, and I put that on the windshield there. So anyway, you're about to see the video of what I recorded earlier today, and I hope you enjoy it, and I really appreciate the comments out there that you guys have been throwing to me. And if you have any questions, feel completely free. Yeah, I have been a little bit late on getting my comments out, and the only reason is because I've been working a lot and dealing with things here and there. So please be patient. It may take me a day or two to get the comment out, but I will comment back to you. I will answer your comment. So Just wanted to tell you to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button down below, and remember, have fun with RCs.